This video is to discuss a method I have found to download files from the internet more quickly sometimes, but always more reliably. When you're downloading a file from the internet, anything from a picture to an installation disk, anything like that, it essentially goes through a cross-cut paper shredder, and every single piece gets set individually. Your computer takes all those pieces and, using a map that is provided, it reassembles the document or file or anything that you're getting. The more pieces, the more likely there is for something to go wrong. There are pieces in place to help defend against that, however, they are not 100% accurate. There is sometimes an error. I myself has run into those a couple of times. So, onward to the method. I will explain using, well, my usual method. Go to a place where you're getting a file. This is just a place that has a demo file, and you get the link that you want to download from. You can either do this save link as, or you can start the download, cancel the download, and then go to the download page, which Chrome is Control-J, and get this link. Then you go to this one website. There used to be another one, but this is the only one on the market right now, called URL Hash. Put it in there. Prove to it you are not a robot by clicking everything needed. And then click on Create Torrent. Their website will then download the file and create the hash for you to be able to use. The hash is the control. It is the thing that says this is definitely this file. So once it gets done with this, we will be able to download the torrent and open using the other program, the second part of this. First part, URL hash. Second part, any torrent client. I myself use qBittorrent, but we'll get to that. So, 79% done, 96% done. Here, you get this torrent file, you open it with qBittorrent, and here we go. It starts the download. Now, the part that makes it more reliable, or at least more quickly, is this part. All these trackers will say whether or not they have what it is you're doing. This tracker list is one that I have built. It's not completely accurate. There are some that are still not working. But in qBittorrent, whenever you go into the Tools, Options, qBittorrent, at the bottom, you can add this. This will automatically add more things on there for you to be able to get pieces from. The part that makes torrenting better than just directly from one server is with a torrent, all those pieces that I discussed earlier from the crosscut shredder, other people that have the document can send you those pieces. So you can get this one file from a lot more than just one source. Now obviously this demo piece does not have nearly as much, but this is why torrenting is popular among people who pirate movies and shows. The more other people who have it, the more quickly you can get it. It's also why it's popular for other sites, such as the free operating system, the open source operating system Ubuntu, and Debian, and Archbang, and all the others. That is why they also offer theirs, the download, as a torrent, so that their server is not being hit nearly as hard because you're getting your file, your ISO, your what have you, from other sources. And now the file is done. This is a method I have found works very well. Not every file can be turned into a torrent because some of the sites have to have a credential system or something like that to guarantee that the person downloading the file is the person meant to. See, URL hash will not work 100% of the time, but when it does work, it will work very well in your favor. Sometimes if it's a file they have seen before, you will not have to go through the process that we did for that. Sometimes. But this works very well for downloading larger files. The file will work because it will be verified to be working by having all the pieces assembled. So, there we have it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, a thumbs down. Give me a subscribe. And Casanova has left the room. Goodbye, y'all.